I want to talk about BYU. It was mentioned in the Discord in my community. I want to talk about it for anyone that's in my community watching this. I think this is a very nice pump that it can happen. Yes, we're not at this lower band ATR4, so it's not my favorite setups. As there, when something is there, I tend to take those plays. But we had this massive run up. A lot of retail traders got in on this big fat candle. I always say never trade the first candle down because it can get very risky, right? And it's just been going down and down. This was kind of your dead cat bounce right in here. You know, it went up 194%. That is a good dead cat bounce. I know it doesn't seem a lot on the chart, but it was pretty big. But if we look at, also look at the news, yes, it's, you know, they have a lot of big news happening. It's, you know, they were suspended for potentially manipulated trading. You know, they could get delisted for sure. So do keep that in mind. So if you like high risk, high reward, this is the type of setup here. And then also due to my analysis, I think we have a good potential to go up. They have lots of volume, so I'd like to see that. But not touching the EMA 5. I don't know what your guys' average is, but if I got into this, it would actually be getting very close that I would like to enter. As you can see, we've been consolidating very nicely throughout this range. We haven't touched the EMA 5 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Usually what's very long with a big move down like this is 14 daily candles. So we're at 11 daily candles. I'd like to see maybe, just maybe on the 12th to start a position, 12th or 13th. And you can see from here, you have a 30% move up to the EMA 5, which in my target region, that is really nice. But you're going to get the biggest moves pre-market as that is what really tends to happen. If we want to look at the hour chart, you can see there has been some pretty nice moves happening. You know, 20% spike right in there. You have a nice spike right in here. Look at that, nice little spike. You know, you do see these little moves, 45%. So there's definitely lots of money to be made. And then obviously this was your big move down that happened, right? And this was your dead cat bounce, right? This was probably the big move up. Yeah, this was a 230% move. That was your dead cat bounce. That was showing right here on the daily chart. This big candle right in here. It had this big pump and then sold off. So yeah, I think we're due for a nice move up. That I don't see. Yeah, this is a very risky stock. We're right here at the lows here. I want to see if we break this 23. I think we go lower, and then like I said, we're at what, 11 daily candles, not touching EMA 5. So this one looks good for a rebound play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I want to probably buy it on the 13th daily candle from the EMA 5. So give it 2 more days is my theory. It is October 22nd, October 24. I would probably take a small, you know, take a stab at it. Let this EMA 5 fluctuate a little bit more down. See if we go down a little more. Break this 23 cents is a positive. And this is all speculation, guys. You know, I'm not saying this is exactly what's going to happen. Just based on what I've seen happen a lot. I've seen this, a lot of the patterns happen. You know, big moves down take around 14 daily candles to hit the EMA 5 usually. And so I tend to watch these kind of plays, right? And then more times you see these kind of plays, you know, when you think it can't get lower, it does. But yeah, but what I do like too, guys, is the K value is at 2.43. You can see that we've been having a very extremely low K value. We're definitely consolidating, I mean, in this range here. But I mean, if you look at this range here, there's good money to be made. That was a 30% margin in here. I'd like to take those 10% gains as those add up really fast. You know, you do just 5 of those trades, you made 50%. And then it adds up fast. So this is my analysis on BYU. Your first target is definitely EMA 5. Now, obviously the news is bad. It can wreck any chart, you know. So do some due diligence on the news. I do like the volume. They have lots of volume coming in. So I do like to see that. But yeah, this is higher risk. As you can see with something like ZPTA, this thing is up 54%. It could definitely do something like this. You see these big, massive candles coming in. same kind of thing. You know, the EMA 5 was definitely due. This was probably hitting almost the 10 now. We are going to see this kind of same pattern. I think this could actually make a bigger move. Where's that big move going to happen? Probably pre-market and after hours, not probably during the regular trading hours. So if you're trading penny stocks, I highly recommend Webull. You can make the most money doing on that platform. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment if you guys want to join the Discord. Guys are more than welcome. Hit the YouTube comments below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll say yeah, in the YouTube comments, it'll take you to that link right in here, and it'll be in my also description. You can't miss it. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. If you are using Android, it'll just, just use your phone's browser or use a computer. I'll avoid scammers. I'll never message you, DM you first. And then you can also read the testimonies of a lot of people making money. But yeah, the easiest way to subscribe is when you join the channel is just hit day trade alerts. It'll get you the highest tier. Anybody in gold, on like you see right here on the right side here, if you're a gold color, you have the highest membership. But if you hit server shop, you can see day and swing trading plus is just 12 bucks a month. I mean, for all the knowledge materials you're going to have under your fingertips, learn how a strategy that wins over 90%, you guys are going to really love it. Day and swing trading plus, 12 bucks a month. It's really nice. But yeah, for BYU, I think it's more, I like it for a speculative play. I think due to this EMA 5 will revert. But I'm playing on the safe side. I said I like it on October 24th. At the end of the day, I can definitely see it going down a little more. So I want to make sure we get this EMA 5 to the very extreme territory. 14 daily candles not hitting EMA 5. It's pretty extreme. So just do the math on it. You'll see. But 12 bucks a month. If you guys are interested in day trading, it's my favorite strategy. I make the most doing it. Swing trading is fine, but I make the most doing day trading. So do understand that's more my successful strategy. That's why I promote it more. And you'll get access to all the channels, day trading education, swing trading education, day trade alerts, day trade chat. And then we have a bot that gives out the 1-minute trading strategy. That'll tell you guys stuff. So if you guys are ever curious, you'll understand all that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. This is my analysis on BYU. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, comment. Remember, your first target will be your EMA 5. If you bought way above this, yeah, it's going to be really hard to get out of this trade. So do use a proper system. Don't just blindly trade based on a stock being oversold or just, been just decimated down. This is why you use the time distance rule, because you see these big candles coming down, you avoid all these big candles coming down. Let the sellers clear out. You can see right here the sellers are not having as much fun anymore. It's been stagnant. You might see this little move down, but we're in a range. There's nothing happening. We're literally just trading inside this range. So it could go up, could go down. If we break this range, then yes, I would look to get in on the 14th of October. I don't want to be into this chop mess, right? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the Discord. Give this video a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.